Sri Lanka's inflation hit a ninth consecutive record in June. Official data showed Friday, rising to 54.6% a day after the IMF asked the bankrupt nation to rein in galloping prices and corruption. It was the first time the increase in the Colombo Consumer Price Index crossed the psychologically important 50% mark, according to the Department of Census and Statistics. The IMF ended 10 days of in-person discussions with Sri Lankan authorities in Colombo following the country's request for a possible bailout. The CCPI has been setting new monthly highs since October, when year-on-year inflation stood at just 7.6%. In May it reached 39.1%. The rupee has lost more than half its value against the US dollar this year. Economists say consumer prices are rising even faster than shown in official statistics. Sri Lanka went to the IMF in April after the country defaulted on its $51 billion external debt.